Yeah, S-Qube cycles on the map now. From the streets to the web, we don't back down. Ride clean, ride fast, yeah, we keep it smooth. S-Qube cycles, yeah. Ride clean, ride fast, yeah, we keep it smooth. S-Qube cycles, got the whole crew. From sales to repairs, yeah, we got that vibe. If your bike broke down, we revive that ride. Ride clean, ride fast, yeah, we keep it true. Accessories fresh, yeah, we stock that too. Crash happen, don't stress, we got your claim. S-Qube cycles, yeah, remember the name. Step in the shop, see the wheels all shining. From road to MTB, perfect fit, no guessing. Gear up, heavy, got helmets and chains. Lights, locks, upgrades, level up your game. Spokes tight, brakes right, we fix it precise. Tune up, game strong, yeah, we do it nice. From a flat tire quick to a full rebuild. Every ride we touch got that pro level skill. Accident happen, yeah, we got your back. Handle clean, smooth, no stress, no slack. Yeah, we know the struggle when you hit that fall. That's why S-Qube always standing tall. Online too, yeah, we reaching the globe. Click the website, see the products we load. Fast service, real passion, built on trust. Two wheels moving, yeah, that's a must. Ride clean, ride fast, yeah, we keep it smooth. S-Qube cycles, got the whole crew. From sales to repairs, yeah, we got that vibe. If your bike broke down, we revive that ride. Ride clean, ride fast, yeah, we keep it true. Accessories fresh, yeah, we stock that too. Crash happen, don't stress, we got your claim. S-Qube cycles, yeah, remember the name. Hit YouTube, yeah, we dropping that knowledge. Fix it yourself, no need for a college. Step by step, yeah, we show you the way. S-Qube channel, learn something every day. From beginners up to pro cyclists, we keep it real, never overprice it. Community strong, yeah, we build that link. Two wheels freedom, more than you think. So ride out, don't stop, keep pushing ahead. S-Qube cycles, yeah, the road we spread. From the shop floor straight to your screen, living that bike life, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, remember the name. Yeah, remember the name, like